Hey guys, so welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports, where we tell you regarding the maritime information, maritime news, and maritime knowledge in day-to-day maritime business. So today I will tell you about what is ship agrounding. Friends, ship agrounding is the impact of a ship on a seabed or waterway side. It may be intentional, as in reaching to land crew or cargo, and careening for maintenance or repair, or unintentional, as in maritime accident. In accidental cases, it is commonly referred to as running aground. So I hope you understand what is ship aground in a normal life and normal language. So now I will tell you about the recent ship agrounding news. This is the image of Latvian freighter named Rix Amethyst. Latvian freighter was double grounded in Denmark. General cargo ship Rix Amethyst ran aground while leaving Rudkøbing, Langeland Islands, Denmark in the afternoon May 18. The ship with the cargo of barley is bound for Bremen, Germany. The tug was called. The ship was refloated in reportedly 1.5 hours. While maneuvering after refloating, Rick's Amethyst turned entangled with a fairway buoy, shifting it from its position. Rick's Amethyst grounded again, but this time she managed to refloat on her own power. So friend, you could have understand why the ship get the grounded due to the level of seabed, and it may be unintentional always, but may be intentional too. It's not always the problem of captain. This happens always in the maritime business. As you can see the images of an ship grounding. There might be some condition when the ship does not get always from a seabed and stuck at the same position in spite of doing the maintenance or calling a supply ship. So if you like this information, do share, subscribe and comment.